Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel, and this video we are going to create Facebook business page. I will go step by step how you can create one Facebook business page for your business and set up at the first time. As we know, Facebook is a really popular social media where millions of people are visiting every day. That is a great way to explore your business. So now I will take you on my screen and we will start. Now I'm on my MacBook screen and I have opened my Facebook personal page. Just to know, Facebook wants to have your personal page before you create business page. So for this one, you have to open your Facebook personal page. As I have opened already, you can do either way. As you can see on the top menu bar, you will see my page name. It says home and we have a create. You can click create over here, or you can go to main page and select here and you will see page. You can click over here too, then it will say create page. Either way works same. I'm going to click here and say create. Once you click create, it will asking you what you want to create. You want to create page, ad, group, event, marketplace, listing, fundraiser. So we are going to click business page. We're going to click on page. Once you click on a page, they're asking you what kind of page you want to create, business or brand, community or public figure. So we are going to create a business page. We are going to click on get started. At this page, first row, we are going to have a business name, whatever your business, and second row, what category your business. Actually, I'm a video creator, so I make YouTube videos. So my category is video creator. You can have any category, you can choose and click continue. It will take a couple seconds to get ready and we on this page. At this point, we have to choose our cover photo or a profile picture. You can choose later, you can skip, or you can start doing right now, but it's a couple things we have to keep in mind, like work with requirement stuff. So I choose skip. I will do on the next page. So now we are here. Our page is partially ready, but it looks like empty. There's not a whole taste right now. So what we are going to do, we are going to unpublish. We don't want to publish our page like that, so it doesn't attract more people. So we are going to change in our profile picture and cover photo. We are going to add our information. Then we will publish our page with the stunning look. So now what we have to do, we have to click on setting, then we are going to click on the first option, is called general. At the general, the first option, you will say page visibility. We are going to click add. At this point, we are going to click on unpublish and we are going to click on apply. Asking you why you want to. So what I'm saying, like the first option, it says page is not ready. Click next, then we are going to choose first option again, then we are going to click OK. So once we did, our page is unpublished already, is not viewable for people. So now we can start mixing our page. So our page is unpublished already, it's not live for people. So first thing we are going to do, we are going to choose our profile picture. For this one, we are going to click on option and we are going to upload photo because I don't have any photo yet. Upload photo, you choose one of the photo. I choose this one matching to the requirement for profile picture. Profile picture should be 150 by 150 pixels. I choose this one. It will show you option here how it's gonna look like. It is too small, so what I can do, I can cancel that one. I'm going to choose another one. I'm going to use this one. I think it's meeting. So you can choose any profile picture is matching to your business, and you can make and center as better you can do. Save. You will set your profile picture. Now we are going to set our cover photo. I'm going to use same one of the photo. I can choose this one. See what happens. Save. It will take a couple seconds and you have your cover photo set up already. And next thing, we are going to set a custom username. As you can see on the left hand side under my profile photo, we have my page name, and under my page name is a username. It's my URL name. So we are going to click on it. It will ask you option. In some cases it will not let you change because you need at least 25 likes to change your username. If you are not able to change your username, probably you have to publish your page and invite some people. After you have 25 likes, you will be able to change your username. The next thing, we are here on settings. We are going to do some important settings. I'm not going to walk through all, but you can change according to your needs. Like in general, you can put your like full name, your address, date of birth, phone number, all the information. If you have a website, if you have other like YouTube channel, you can add all the information. And you can also set up some messaging here. Like you can have a greeting message. If somebody tried to message you, you're not available, and what you want to say, there's a couple things. Just walk through and have finished all the settings. Here really one important thing I want to mention: according to your category, your page gonna be look like, your template gonna be look like according to the category you choose. If you have a different kind of business, like say you have a bakery or something, your template gonna be totally different. And you can also add information about the business hours, what I open, how people can reach to your business. Once you add all the information about your business and you're happy, then next thing, we are going to publish our page. We are going to click on setting. Inside the setting, we are going to click on general. We have like a page published already, but we are going to click edit. If you have unpublished, you choose the publish and save change, and your page will be online for people, for public to view. And after that, we have to invite some friends. If you have friends on your personal profile, you can invite your friends to like your page. You can send an invitation. To invite your friends, simply you have to find your all the friend list. Like I have a here, it says a friend. I say see all friends. I will see here. I'm going to select. Once I select, I will say send invites. I'm going to send invitation to my 18 friends, and as soon as they are going to like my page or going to follow my page, I will get a notification who is going to follow or who is going to be like my page. Now next thing is upload video. If you have a videos in your computer, just simply click on upload video, then choose the video you want to upload. Just select choose. It will as a YouTube will ask you for a title, description, and you can add some tags. Click on next, and it will, your video will upload here. But I'm not going to upload this video right now. I will just simply ignore right now. So that's the way you can add all the information about your page. One more thing I want to add: as we can upload straight video at the Facebook, and we also can upload like a couple of video links. Like I have a YouTube channel here. I have this video I'm going to upload. I can just copy link from my YouTube channel, then I can go to Facebook, and I will say here write a post. I will just click and paste. As soon as paste, it will start checking my video. Then simply we can just delete link, and we can write down what is about it. So I can write down about it, then I can post. So my video will be posted on my Facebook page, and anytime they're gonna click on your video, they are going to redirect to your YouTube channel, so you are gaining views on your YouTube channel. So I think that's most I can add in this video. And next video we will go through the most important settings and detail, and about inside how you can look to your information about your page. And also we will work about publish tools like Creator Studio. Like we have a option here, you can go to Creator Studio, which one you can see all about your channel. Like as we have a YouTube Creator Studio, like your views, followers, about monetization and everything. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.